Welcome to MS Tech Hub. This is the continuation of validation series. In this video we are going to discuss about number comparison like less than, less than equal to, greater than and greater than equal to. Let's flip to Visual Studio. To explain less than or greater than, we need one field over here. I'm calling it less than, and I'm giving the ID less than. I'm giving the name also less than, and for the placeholder I'm saying enter a number, and we need not rest of the fields. I'm removing these three fields. Now let's move to the Jquery section. We need not these four sections as of now. Add less than section. This is the ID what we have given to the field. I am providing the required is true. We need to add a method on validator. Add method. We have already explained add method in our previous video. This is like a custom validation method what we are adding over here. I am giving the name less than to the validation method, and the next parameter is the function element, and the this is the callback function, and the third and final parameter is the message what we have to give when the validation get failed. So the validation will be the value must be less than what the value we have provided in the param. Now we have to provide the explanation of this method. So we are going to return a boolean, and we are comparing the value what we are entering. First of all, parse the value, parse int the value we are receiving and the configuration we have provided. The value must be less than the configuration we have provided. Parse the value also, the parameter. Now we have done. We have created a method, a rule for the validation, and here we have to provide the configuration value like the 100 and the comparison value from whatsoever we are going to compare the value what we are entering in the field. Let's check in the browser. Let's submit the page. So the field is required now. When we enter 1, it is accepting the value. When we enter 99, it is also accepting the value. When we enter 100 over here, it is saying the value must be less than 100. So the message we have provided over there. We have seen that how we have to validate less than. Now we can even validate less than in equal to and greater than and equal to. In this method we can copy this method and make a 3 copies of this method. I'm calling equal to, less than, or equal to. It is identical, similar, only the conditions are going to change. Greater than and greater than and equal to. Now we have done the methods and their methods name. Now we can easily use these methods instead of using the different one. Only we have to change the method over here. Like if currently we are going to use less than and equal to. Also we can even change the field name over there. You can use the method as your requirement. Let's check in the browser, reload the page. Now we are using less than and equal to. When we are entering 1 or even we are entering 100, it is accepting the value. When we enter 101, it is not accepting the value. That's it in the video. Thanks for watching.